Vulnerabilities are, they keep coming up in a lot of frameworks, so it's not easy to uh, define those. But frankly speaking, if a vulnerability is known to an organization and you are not in a state where you can patch it, there are a lot of actions that you can take these days, because you have a lot of devices in place. You have a web application firewall in place. So you can basically define rules accordingly. The main gap which I see, which a lot of organizations have, is how ready they are on consuming this information from different places. So if in case it's a 0 day, which means nobody knows about this vulnerability till now, and it's just exposed right now. So all of the 0 days nobody knows, and you are using a framework which, let's say, has a 0 day vulnerability, then you can't really take actions on it. But as soon as it's known, you are supposed to be very quick in at least applying a mitigation for it. So mitigation can be applied at different endpoints, right? You can apply it in your application security firewall, or you can tweak your application on specific vulnerabilities, input parameters and stuff like that. So as soon as the vulnerability is known, the organizations should be ready to absorb it and apply actions accordingly. 0 days are very difficult, and it's an area which requires you to invest a lot of energies and resources in it, because basically, if you really want to be aware of all the 0 days which are there, you need to have some sort of intelligence in darknet, and you need to define your information gathering from in your security teams on how you gather information from different sources. If from different sources, from your from the organizations in your own domain. So let's say you are an insurance company, you should be in touch with all the information companies, so that if someone is getting hacked in a specific manner, you get to know about it, so that you can take precautions according to those. So tackling 0 days is a bit tricky aspect, and it requires a lot of resources from the part of a company. And that's why these days a key idea, or the key principle being applied, is called zero trust environments, where you basically assume that everything in your environment can be hacked. So you do not have trust even inside your perimeter. You have individual applications, individual services running inside your organization, and they do not trust on each other. So zero trust environment is a very important concept these days, where you expect to get hacked, and basically how you will deal with those scenarios, how you will minimize the damage done to your organization.